Mommy's here.
Might as well get this over with.
Wait a sec, hang on. Hey, don't change.
You actually want to be in the picture?
No. You kidding? But it's not fair for you to have to do it alone. Oh, thanks. You don't have to thank me. I'm your brother. Hi, Mom.
Hello, dear.
Hi, Mom. How are you? Good to see you.
Hi, Charlie.
Oh, what a marvelous house. Mom said you wanted to